Aging in place is a big concern that has come up more and more often whenever we go and visit and remodel homes. There are some very simple things that we can do. If you're doing a full master bathroom gut, for example, then we can do blocking on the walls and we don't have to place the grab bars at this time, but we can at least block. You can take a picture, you know where they are, so that later on it's a very simple process of just putting the grab bars wherever you need them and where there was already blocking, and we can do that while we're doing any other remodel. We also want to talk about any time that you're looking at an area that you go into often, like your master bathroom, then we can look at that door opening and get it ready for any kind of wheelchair access, get it ready for any kind of help that you might need from equipment, medical equipment, to get in there. So you don't want your standard 2 feet 8-inch door. You're going to want a 3-foot door, full opening. So again, while we're doing a project, real simple fix to just add that feature and have it ready for you to just stay in that home for a very long time. Another question that's often asked of us is, can I add a mother-in-law suite? The mother-in-law suite in our additions have become very popular. A lot of times you don't actually have to do it as an addition. There's enough square footage and floor plans nowadays that you can find a closet or pantry, and if you're willing to kind of shrink that a little bit, then we can fit a full-size bath next to a Jack and Jill, or converting a Jack and Jill into a mother-in-law suite. Those are all very easy options to do without going to the expense of adding beyond your square footage of your house and adding to the exterior and getting involved with all that. So there are a lot of options that we can find a lot of times. And one of the things that our design team is really good at looking at is the coefficient rating of the material, so that you can prevent slippage on floor tile, so you can have the right material for the right use. And again, as we get older and stuff, we kind of watch out for those things, and our design team will help you do that. So we can find in the same square footage a lot of times a way to do it.